Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing and testing the DENNOV handheld vacuum cleaner, model number VTDH004. So let's open her up. Okay, so in the box we have one piece of cardboard. We've got one vacuum cleaner user manual. Cool, won't be like that. We've got what looks to be some sort of a filter. Got a little cleaner, looks like. We'll find out. I don't know what that is, but we can find out. Looks like a little, maybe an adapter for the end part. Oh, one charger. Nice. And the end. Cool. Put that there. And what else do we have? One more here. Another little front end adapter, so obviously it fits in there. Cool. And then what we're all here to see, the device. Give it an idea. Did it come apart? Okay, off. Back. Little specs over there. You can see obviously those little handholds go in the front there. Nice. Press and hold for 1 second. Oh, that's bad. Oh, he doesn't like vacuum cleaners. Okay, so what's quite cool is this comes off just by clicking this button. If I put it up right, make it a bit easier, you can see this end goes in like this. And then you've got it like a little narrow spout. And yeah, so 3 little adapters. Guessing this might just go maybe on top like that. No, that doesn't look right. Wait, let me take this off. There we go, pulled it off, and I won't push it in so tight this time. But this adapter, that adapter will go like that, and then this third one will go like that. More of a harder rubber, if I can call it that. Quite cool. Here's the front. Okay, this is small little piece of paper test. 1, 2, 3. On and on. Okay, cool experience was after sucking up the little piece of paper, it was inside here, and I kind of scratched my head. How the heck do I get this thing out? The easiest way for me to get it out was to take the longer nozzle and just put it in reverse and push down. I do it over a bin maybe, otherwise all the junk might come out. But yeah, cool little hack to get that thing out. Okay, next up we're gonna plug her into charge. So put it in, and it's charging. This goes up and down. Cool.